How do I block a phone number?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem many of us face: unwanted calls. You may want to block a specific phone number for various reasons, be it telemarketing calls, spam, or simply a number you don't wish to hear from. The good news is, you can do this easily, and we'll guide you through this process step by step.
Blocking a number on an iPhone.
If you're an iPhone user, here's how you can block a specific number. 1. Open your phone app. This is the green icon with a white phone symbol on it. 2. Tap on Recents. This will display the list of all recent calls you have received or made. 3. Find the number you want to block. Scroll through the list and tap the I icon in a circle next to the number. 4. Scroll down and tap on Block this caller. A confirmation pop-up will appear. 5. Confirm your decision by tapping Block Contact. The number is now blocked.
Blocking a number on an Android phone.
If you're using an Android phone, the process is slightly different but just as simple. 1. Open your phone app. It's typically at the bottom of your home screen. 2. Tap on Recent or Call History. This will bring up a list of your recent calls. 3. Find the number you want to block. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. 4. Tap on Details, then tap on Block Number. 5. Confirm your decision by tapping Block. The number is now blocked.
What happens after blocking a number?
Now that you've blocked a number, what happens when that number tries to contact you again? On both iPhone and Android, the blocked number can still leave voicemails, but you won't get a notification. Their calls won't ring on your phone, and their messages won't appear in your regular list of texts. And there you have it, folks. We've just walked through how to block a phone number on both iPhone and Android devices. No more annoying calls from numbers you don't want to hear from. Remember, if you change your mind, you can always unblock these numbers following similar steps. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your peace of mind.